Good morning everyone, it's Sunday. I've got myself a wee coffee. Me and Auntie have a few hours to ourselves today, which is really good. We've got some errands to run and we're going to go into the original factory shop and do a little come shop with me and a haul later. I've just spilled a little bit of my coffee. The original factory shop have loads of different high street brands, but you can actually get up to 70% off versus the high street price, and there's loads on there. Even go and check out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Go and check out the website, there's so many different things on there. Household items, beauty, fashion, everything, and it's all at discount prices. Yeah, let's go and see what they have in the original factory shop. I've got Andy with me and yeah, let's go and see what they've got. My coffee is just leaking everywhere. Look at this. Crazy weather today. I really like that wee jumper. I think this might be nice. I don't know whether to get this in a big size actually. Look at this one from Oasis. £49. And it's a jumpsuit. And it's down to £15.